Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on the COVID-19 situation in the country. Prime Minister Modi emphasized that lockdown should be the last resort and urged state governments to concentrate on micro-containment zones. PM Modi also urged youths to form small committees in their society and create awareness among the people. Prime Minister also appealed to the migrant workers not to head back to their hometowns and that vaccination for them will be carried out soon and work will continue as usual. Amid the rising COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is likely to announce a complete lockdown at 8 p.m. this evening. According to State Health Minister Rajesh Tope, the Maharashtra cabinet had unanimously requested the Chief Minister to announce a complete lockdown. Meanwhile, the Mahavikas Aghadi government has already enforced stricter norms in the state, with essential outlets allowed to be open for only 4 hours a day. Puducherry government has announced a total lockdown from April 23rd to April 26th to curtail the spread of COVID-19 in the Union Territory. The announcement of the complete lockdown came a day after Puducherry had imposed a night curfew from 10 p.m. to 5 p.m. The Union Territory has been witnessing a steady increase in the daily cases and deaths over the past 14 days. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has announced that the state government will facilitate free COVID-19 vaccines to all people aged between 18 and 45 from May 1st. The government has also affirmed that they have already placed an order of over 1 crore vaccine doses to help in executing the vaccination drive. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma also added that they would utilize funds collected under Assam Arogya Nidhi for the procurement of the vaccines. India registered close to 3 lakh fresh COVID-19 cases, pushing the overall tally beyond 1 crore 56 lakh. The country has also recorded the highest single-day spike in the COVID-19 related deaths with 2,223 fatalities. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll in the country stands at 1,82,553. States and union territories such as Delhi, Karnataka and Kerala continue to witness the highest number of cases in the country. Amid surging COVID-19 cases in the country, the union government waived customs duty on the raw materials and other components used to make the Remdesivir drug. According to the Revenue Department, the items on which the duty has been waived include Remdesivir's active pharmaceutical ingredients or APIs and Remdesivir injections. This import duty exemption would remain in force till October 31st, 2021. China's President Xi Jinping will attend a US-led climate change summit on April 22nd. This will be the first time US President Joe Biden will be meeting the Chinese premier after Biden took over the administration. The US President has invited several world leaders to join the 2-day virtual summit. Bollywood director Anand Pandit's project Thank God has been deferred due to the second wave of the pandemic. Thank God, starring Ajay Devgan, Siddharth Malhotra and Rakul Preet Singh, was slated to release this month. The movie had resumed its shooting on January 21st. Delhi Capitals defeated Mumbai Indians by 6 wickets in IPL 2021. DC star player Amit Mishra bagged 4 wickets, leading the team to victory. Besides Amit Mishra, Avesh Khan and Lalit Yadav aided Delhi Capitals to defeat the defending champions.